So we talk about reading and writing view in another video, just to explain the difference between these two functionalities. It's very significant when you're using hyperlinked documents in GoodNotes. It's very significant to understand this icon over second from the right. So we're in reading view, now we're in writing view, and we want to add some stickers. So let's go. I already added a few. Let me go. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to do it in the wrong view, of course. Let me go to the home page and go back to writing view. Now you can see when you put the lasso tool on, you can pick up stickers. But what I wanted to just show you today is how to add stickers. With stickers, you can make stickers. You can make GoodNotes stickers. You can import stickers into here. You can if you double tap, you can pull up your stickers in a separate window. You can create folders for your stickers down here. You can see I've got quite a few. I've got way more than that, but you know, a girl can get confused. And then once you've created or bought, imported, categorized and organized your stickers, then you can actually use them in your document that you've got. So you can see I've already pulled a few in. I thought I would just show you. There's this way. When you bring up, let me just close that so that I can be in normal view and show you. When you tap on, this is the sticker icon, the star. And I think, I don't know, there's 20 or 30 that come as a default set with GoodNotes, and then after that you have to add your own. This is a set that comes in my summer planner that I've got because it's very bright and colourful, which I love, and I made stickers to match the basic colours that are in that planner. And of course, these are all the girls as well. Let me show you. Some of them are so beautiful. Look at that. What a beauty. Anyway, getting off track here now. You can turn it round, you can make it bigger, smaller, and you can go, okay, I need to get that sorted. I need to do my goals for Q4. So you can do that. And then while you're in here, you might pick your purple pen. You can color code everything to your planner. You can obviously write and all of that. So let's go back to the stickers now. They'll automatically come up here. The most recent are just there. So if there's some you use over and over again, this is going to be really handy because they'll be here and you can just put them where you want. Then you can select this one and you can tap on it and go, nope, I don't want that one anymore. Now you can select this one and you can say, yep, no, actually I want that bigger. And you can do that. And then you can also, when you click on that twice, you have the option of bringing up an actual window so that you've got all the stickers, and then you can come down here and go to the next one, which will give you all the sticky notes or my sticky notes. And then whatever it is you've imported, you know, all your words. So I've got a doctor's appointment. Where did it put that? Oh, sorry, I've got to drag it, put it here. I use a few different programs. Now, just say I wanted to hop over to March and put in a couple of, plan a couple of things. I'm going to go back to reading view and I'm going to hop over to my calendar. Now, this is my weekly, so they're organized by weeks. I have a daily calendar so that you could click on each day, but this is the weekly planner. So I'm going to come down to this week. You can see the blue that comes up. I can hop around in here. I can go to next week and schedule stuff in. And here I'm going to get my press and hold, so long press. I'm going to put a doctor's appointment there. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to press and hold and drag payday. Payday happens on a Thursday, and I'm going to put that early on the day. That's going to be really cool. Now, come Friday, I really need to do a brain dump and sort out everything before I go home. So I'm going to do it, and I can make it really tiny if I want. You can make this so much bigger and smaller and all the things. And then the other thing is I've got a carpool happening on Wednesday. So I need to make sure I remember that. So for now, I'm going to sort that out and do that. Let me just go here. And it's in pink, so you can't really see it. Let me just show you. I'll show you. Emotion download. Yeah. And then that's in a different color, and then these are really cool. So if I just tap on it, it actually brings it up in the recent menu. So you've got to use your finger on that one. It's not going to let me. You can see along here, all the recent ones are up there. It's hard to see that because it's just the writing's in pink. But if I then tap on it, it will just bring it up automatically. I can either do it that way, make sure I go to the doctor, or I can tap and hold, long press, and then I can make sure I do a brain dump. You can do all the things. That there, bring it up there, tap it there. There's always 2 or 3 ways to do everything. So that is how, let's get rid of those. That is how you can add stickers into your planner once you've created or bought them, installed them, and then organized them. Then you can start playing around and adding them to your documents. Awesome. Any love, thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.